In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add comments in Trello. Comments are the heartbeat of collaboration in Trello, helping your team capture decisions, ask quick questions, and keep work moving without long email threads. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click, so your updates show up clearly on the card. Start by opening the Trello board where you're working. Once your board is on screen, pick the card you want to discuss and click it to open the detailed view. This brings up everything about that task in one place, including its description, checklist items, attachments, and most importantly for today, the conversation area. Next, scroll down the card until you see the comments and activity section. This is the timeline where messages, status changes, and other updates appear, so it's the perfect spot to leave context for your teammates. If your card is long, don't worry, just keep scrolling. The comments area is always near the bottom of the card details. Now you're ready to write. Click into the field that says Write a Comment. Type your message as clearly as possible so anyone opening the card understands what you're sharing or asking. A good comment is concise, specific, and actionable. For example, reference the part of the task you're talking about and include any deadlines or blockers in plain language. When you're happy with your message, click the Save button. Your comment instantly appears in the activity feed for that card and is visible to anyone who can view the board, helping everyone stay aligned. Remember, comments live with the card, so anyone who opens it later can quickly see the full conversation and understand why choices were made. Keeping your updates in this one place reduces back and forth and saves time for the whole team. Aim for a friendly, professional tone. That's all there is to it. Open your board, open a card, scroll to the comments and activity section, write your comment, and hit Save. Keep using comments to log updates, confirm decisions, and keep the card's history in one place. The clearer your notes, the faster your team can respond and move the work forward. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up. It really helps us out. And consider subscribing for more quick, practical tutorials. And we'd love your feedback. Let us know in the comments what you think of the video and if there's anything we can do to improve it. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing in Trello.